Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now, just the same story, it's course all around the coast, up beside us. We've had to travel a fair distance again to me and Phil, because Phil's fishing alongside me again this morning. So we've had to travel a fair distance again to get a sheltered spot to fish at. We had a look in Google Maps and we found a bitty. It's at Burghead Harbour. I got here maybe 4:45, something like that, 20 to 5. We're up at 1:30 this morning. The time I made my flask and all that, it was about 2:30. It's still cold, kind, but this is a lovely sheltered spot. If you know, look out, there's not even motion, there's not even big rollers coming in. We've got a good bit of shelter with this outer pier over here. I'll put a wee map up in the nook here, letting you see where we're actually fishing, and you'll see what I mean by the sheltered bit of the outer pier. It looks to be all soft ground on Google Maps, so hoping to get a flatty some kind, a dab or a flounder, and I'll be happy. Just happy getting out anyway, whether I get anything or no. I've shot one rod already, it's got 8 hooks. I've got my rod stand here just aside this wee boxy thing with a green flashing light, and just the usual bait, small strips, mackerel, belly the mackerel in cubes, and it's salted mackerel. Now it's a case of just waiting for it bales to ring out. Yeah, there's a bite there just now. I'm just a bit sure something's picking at that hooks. Look at it again. Right, I've seen 1 or 2 rattles, first bales. There could be something sitting on here, so I want to halt down and have a looky. That must be gay small if it's still on. Hey! Yes! Yeah, beauty! That's me off the blank.
Off the blank.
And it's a wee buddick. Oh, it's a crab and all, look.
Yeah.
That's a wee grindy, you know. Grindy and a buddick. Collie. Right, I'll tell you fit. Oh, the bait's missing. Oh, the bait's missing. Gee whiz, huh? Oh, that's on account, that's a good sign. Maybe grindies, you see. Chawing up all the bait. Come on, Paul. Right, you come here. Right. No, don't you nip me. Right. Bonnie wee collie. Kissing getting back. And a wee grindy. Baits are missing. So I'm assuming there's a lot of ass jokers out there. Right, get him back. There you go. Yes! Freshen up a bit, get it back out.
Still getting the odd rattle.
Aye.
Yeah.
This is lovely, isn't it?
Isn't it just right? I can't believe there's no wind just here. It's
Yeah,
so sheltered.
it's sheltered, aye.
And you can hear the waves breaking.
Oh, you're back, aye.
Back there.
Yep. It's just a perfect spot for this morning. Yeah, I hear a bell. It's your in.
I think it is, yeah.
There's 4 roads out now. I've got 3. Phil's just got the 1.
He's got a bite on it though.
And Phil's ain't got a bite on it, see? It's the way a cookie crumbles. So I've got other two roads just a wee bit further that way.
Is this raining or
Oh
snowing?
no, I think it is snow or something.
Is it snow?
Yeah. And here's us just saying how bony it is.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be some sunny spells here today, like.
Hopefully it doesn't snow, otherwise this is another angle. Oh, that's you.
Oh, is that me?
Yeah.
Come on, fishies.
This is another angle. Be giving us a call to say you might be wise to get over. Oh, look at that.
No, it was me. I was getting a wee.
Proper bite that.
Shall we begin your phone call, you son? Oh, that's a bit, right?
There you go.
Just, I think it must be at buttocks. They often take a hodger bait and rip it off of hooks.
Yeah.
And you'll get bites like that.
Yeah.
And they're not hooking.
No. And then when they are hooked, they just seem to sit there for a bit.
Aye, aye. Oh, it's just lovely-ish.
Looked like some fine boats up on the Hard when I came in.
Aye, aye.
You can just see them in the headlamps, so I'll have to have a look at them later.
Aye. There's an angling boat he works out of here, you know.
Is there?
Aye. Right, I'm going to have a cup of tea. Move your tea. You think that's wee shade for the green light?
It's interesting, isn't it?
Aye.
Not seen one like that before.
No, it's fun to bits, like it's.
Yeah.
I think it's dimmer and it's rotten away. This is a job. It's the main thing. Oop, it's me rattling again. Right. That's what I like to hear. Come on, fishies. Come on. Come on, eh? Fishy, fishy. Just can't believe how calm it is here. Oh. See, turn your back and away it goes again. And then you look up and it stops. Oh, you fairly hear the waves on a boat.
That one really rolled in.
Aye, that was a big one. Oh, well, it's raining just now. Well, sleety kind of rain. See a couple of lads doing at their boats. They're sure they're going to go out their foot. Get ready to wind in the lines if they are. I think I'm going to be haulishing up and freshen the bait again. It did get out with a couple of rattles. I'm not sure there was a wee budget going or something. Come on, fishies. Oh, yes! That's a wee fluke. Yes! A flounder. Can you switch your leg doings?
Yeah.
Aye.
Here we go.
Yes, you beauty. A wee flounder.
Not too deeply hooked either.
No, it's just
Nicely done.
just on a lip.
Beauty.
Really tough that. Look at that. Right, I'll stick his back over here. Let you see the wee critter. Look at that. Fair triggered. We get some sea lice on him, look. Scrape him off. Right, a wee kissy and get him back. Fair triggered.
Yeah, good fish.
Aye, just a hand fair, but fair triggered with him.
second species.
Aye, 2 species. Yes! There you go, Paul. Right, I want to freshen up that bait and get that back out again. Getting wet. Hey! Another fluke. I'll get him off and let you see him. You just hook it on a lip again, same as the last one. So, perfect. That's over here. But, kick it door my left. Switch this off. Now, another wee fluke. And he's a beauty. Maybe small, but he's a beauty. And there's no lice on this. No sea lice on this. Right, get in, get him back quick. Sheesh. Right, I want to haul this in again. Group with a good rattle this here just now, but something to a bite but not committed. Come on, fishies! No. Nothing. Nothing at all. Now, check this out. Fit kind of seaweed's this. I just hauled this in and now. Fit kind of seaweed's out now. Let me get in the comments. It's got like long float bits on it. Not sure if you caught it. So mine and let my cane. Nothing. Oh man.
That's twice as many fish as last week.
Aye. The fella's just saying he knew it's twice as much fish as what we had last week. Hier een stoortje op mijn heet nu. Nou, kan ik het eens licht af nu. Shit. Beet's been scoofed. I'm getting a chef to see. What are doing this way? I don't know if we can see you in the camera here, just out there. There's like a big metal thing sticking up. There's like a pipe or a dike or something runs out there. So I'm going to show this in the inside of it. See if there's anything in the inside of it. I think I should be clear here. You can do it back of shit. I think I should clear it. Just to see if there's anything in the inside here. I'll stick a set of bales on so I can hear it a while back up here. No. Never sure there's maybe something further doing. Check this here, looks like a spider crab. Right, come on back up here. Near rattles, Phil. Oh man. Oh, it could be just because it's slack water now. So it'll maybe start biting again once the tide starts ebbing out.
It's very coloured, the water, isn't it?
It's have a coloured,
Yeah.
full water, just like soup.
Yeah.
The sun's going to come up too.
It's going to be nice.
Look at it back here, bunny. Oh man, look at that.
What
Beautiful.
a beautiful sky.
Yep.
So that's called the sun, is it?
Oh, I think so. It's a long, it's a long time
It's a long time.
since it's been seen. Great stuff. There's a bus coming up here, would you believe?
Coming fishing.
At a crew bus. Burghead bus, look. Yeah, I wouldn't have believed the bus would have come here. The end of the pier to pick up folk. Maybe gonna get turned or something.
you like this starfish?
Aye. Oh, it's not often we get to sit in your car like this and fish. Oh, and fish. Yeah, nothing. One bait missing. Could mean it is a fish in the go. Or maybe a crab, dunno care. But we'll freshen it up and pop it back out again. Well, we're struggling to get a fish, but sun's out and it's a fine shelter spot. The problem we're having is that the water's like soup. Like you'll see us with this camera. It is full water. I like really clear water for the flatties, and then all your beads and stuff like that, the flatties can see them moving about and they'll attack. You can even tow your line on slow, they'll chase after it if they can see it, but they're not going to see anything like that. You more or less have to hear bait right in front of a fish's move. Just using small baits, so there's not really a lot of scent trail going out to attract them. When you first freshen them up, of course you'll get a wee bit of scent trail for a start, and it just washes out. But lovely spot to fish. Beautiful spot. You hear a bell? I think it was that in. It's the first bell we've heard in a while.
Yeah.
Come on, fishies. Now, come on now. Let me know in the comments what kind of birds that is. It's jukes or some kind. No, Phil.
Another session.
Another session, Dean.
Yeah.
We've still got rods out. I've still got 3 rods out, and Phil's got 1. He's just been fishing with 1 a day. There's just nothing happening at all. We keep freshening up the baits, putting them out again. There was a couple of rings
Yeah.
on that middle road, but nothing hooking up now.
Been very quiet, hasn't it?
Half a quid. But
Yeah.
the sun came out, and
Been lovely.
what a bonny day now.
Been grand.
Beautiful day.
Really enjoyed.
I've had to put my glasses on, look, my sunglasses. So
Yeah.
I had to give them a good clean. They've been lying us long in that tackle box. We've fair enjoyed ourselves forever and gotten out again.
You've got something special.
Aye.
A special this week. So keep watching because there's a special.
Keep watching to the end because there's not just find the keyring, there's a mystery gift and all. So keep watching just in a couple of minutes each time and you'll see for that the keyring and the mystery gift is hidden. So watch out for that. And watch out for next week's video just to see where we end up next week. Hopefully we're going to be closer to home next week if the weather changes a bit. Then again it's 4 weeks now again.
Yeah.
Disaster. But anyway, that's it for now. It's
Tight lines from me and a tail wag from D.
D and take care of D and I'll catch you after for me.
See ya.
Right. It's hide the keyring time. Now you see if we're fishing here, like, and as we shady thing, it touches the starboard left or green left, and you stand here in this nuke, there's a crack in the wall, and you'll see inside here, like, hopefully you'll see the keyring is in here, like. There's not just a keyring this time, I've hidden something else. And it's round the back of the shady here, look. A stick here, and then you'll see a plastic bag here just underneath that stick, covered up with a stick. That is a surprise for somebody that finds it. Whoever finds a keyring and that mystery prize in that black plastic bag, mind and put a comment underneath this video letting us know that you got it, and it lets somebody else know need to come looking for it, because somebody's already got it. So good luck with that, Ian.